Samsung's actual enterprise range, tablets, devices, screens for actual businesses, not just for consumers. Smaller laptops here, the netbooks. Samsung use their own components for memory, for the processor. They don't have to rely on the third parties with all those delays that you were seeing over COVID. Semiconductor delays, not with Samsung. They make their own stuff. Let's see the quality. Oh, have I broken it? No, I've not, because it's a tablet and a laptop. One of the curved screens that everyone loves Samsung for. This is a 34-inch, 49-inch, absolutely mental. Coming soon with a webcam integrated. Keep your eye out for that. And on the phones, these aren't the consumer grade ones, these are the business grade ones. The rugged ones. Got these ridiculous folding devices. What on earth? If there was anything that was gonna turn an Apple guy to a Samsung guy, it's gonna be this bad boy. More feminine version. Right there. All of this device range come with enterprise KNOX protection. That means you've got a portal which manages every single device, shows if there's any threats, shows where every single user is. If you've not considered having Samsung for your laptops, for your phones, for your tablets, for your monitors, then why haven't you? I'll see you later.